Hi everybody, Asong Filipino, welcome back again. So to this video, I'm going to unbox these ones from Timo. So I don't really order so much at Timo because there's a lot of scam over there. Like when you order shoes, like my shoes, and they send you like this size, very tiny. So for now, let's see what I have and let's get started. I'm excited to see this one. So I'm gonna open it for you, and then later, I'm going to try on this one in the car pedal. Okay, let's see how this look like. So okay, this is the flip-flops, but next time we're going to order more heels. Okay, this one. So since I don't trust the size there, I ordered size 7, size 36. Oh my god, it looks so small. Like it looks like size 35. I'm gonna try on here later on. So this is how it looks like. Okay, next is, since I don't have gray, and I know you love gray, so I have gray. I'm gonna try on after this one. Oh, it looks small. So for the flip-flops, I need 37. But I know it fits in my feet. But only quite a bit smaller. Small. So okay, size 36, 37. So this is gray. This is how it looks like. And then now I'm going to try on and walk with it. Okay. This is my flip-flops today. It's cute. Pink. Okay. Oh, fit's not bad. Fitting's not bad, but a bit smaller, but it's good.